Hello, I'm Olga Zinovieva and I'm going to show you how to export a document from one of my discussion forums to my e-portfolio. You see, I am already on exabis portfolio page, and 2 days ago I already uploaded a file, Authentic Learning. I'm a bit frustrated now because as I found the time to make a video of the process, and I pressed the same buttons as I did 2 days ago, but with a different result. One of the buttons is missing today, and unfortunately I can't do what I did 2 days ago. Let me show you. So I am in week 1 forum. I'm scrolling down to find my forum. Here I am. I press my attitude to student engagement, and I'm trying now to export my post to portfolio. So I give you 100% that 2 days ago, as I tried to choose destination, there was another third option here called download files, and I pressed on download files. But now I can't because the button is missing. I've been trying for more than an hour to do it in a different way, to somehow export to portfolio as a file this post, but I failed. Anyway, let me show you. If I choose blog export portfolio, and then I choose next, and then I can't choose anything here. I tried to change post heading without any success. Anyway, I only can choose next or cancel. And as I press next, it says that I need to confirm, again without changing anything. I press continue, and it will tell me now that portfolio export complete. Unfortunately, when I go back to my portfolio, I can't see this. I don't know how and where am I supposed to see this, because here I am, only Authentic Learning is here, nothing else. Anyway, let me try it another time. Again, I am in week 1 forum. I'm scrolling down to find my post, and as I do so, I will try to export to portfolio, but this time I will try to choose Google Docs. You see, the only option I can choose because download files button is missing. So let's wait for a miracle to happen, and it just says that portfolio export complete, just without any confirmation, but nothing happens as I go back to my exabis e-portfolio. Well, I might be doing something wrong. I might not realize that I'm making a mistake. Well, I hope Nelly or someone else will give me a clue of what's wrong. Oh, sorry, I wanted to switch on exabis portfolio. Well, to give me a clue what wrong things I'm doing, because right now I can only see Authentic Learning, which I uploaded 2 days ago when still there was a button download files in the forum. I also tried hard to find maybe the blog where I could find maybe the blog entries that were added. I found blog here, yes, but I can't see any blog entries here as I tried hard. So I'm sorry that my video wasn't helpful, but I really don't know how to do what I did 2 days ago.